Hi there. Are you looking for the top 5 Italian foods can make in few minutes? Italian cuisine is famous for its diverse and delicious dishes. But did you know that you can easily make some of the top 5 Italian foods at home? Margherita pizza, simply spread tomato sauce, sprinkle mozzarella cheese, and top with fresh basil leaves. Bake in the oven until the cheese is melted and crust is crispy. Spaghetti carbonara, cook spaghetti, and in a separate pan, cook bacon, garlic, and eggs. Toss everything together with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Minestrone soup, sauté garlic, onion, and carrots. Add canned tomatoes, green beans, potatoes, and vegetable broth. Simmer until vegetables are tender, and finish with freshly chopped basil and grated Parmesan cheese. Lasagna, layered with pasta, bolognese sauce, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Bake in the oven until cheese is melted and bubbly. Tiramisu, a classic Italian dessert made of ladyfingers, espresso, mascarpone cheese, sugar, and cocoa powder. Simply layer the ingredients and chill until firm. And there you have it, 5 delicious Italian dishes that you can easily make at home. So why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a taste of Italy tonight?